seems to work pretty well. I might do a couple cross pieces going this way, but it's going to get the job done for what I need it to do. Alright, I got the whole body stripped down as far as I'm going to take it. There's actually a couple little surprises, but for overall, it's not too bad. I think I'll be replacing this floor pan. We'll see how much of that's salvageable, but around the drain plug for sure is toast, so I might as well order a floor pan. It feels a little soft right there. But the back looks really good around the roll bar. Looks good. My other surprise was right here. But that should be an easy fix. Just I can cut out a flat piece and repair that. Over here is good. Back here's good. Around the roll bar looks good. This side of the floor looks good. The previous owner did all this black paint on there. I don't know if it's a rust proofing or what, but I may take a wire wheel and strip down and see if it's solid metal. Around the sides, like I said in the last video, got that right there. Doesn't look horrible down here. I might get out my little portable sandblaster and hit all that and recoat it. Just surface rust. This torque box I'll replace. I'll do the full one on this side because the front corner is rusting out. And then I'll check and see if I need to do it on this side, but that doesn't look too bad. But I do need to replace at least half of this one. This wheel well's good. Up in there has some rust. But I'm gonna get it on the hoist, lower it down, stand it up on end on the back of the tailgate here, and get a good look at the underside and start repairing those torque boxes in the floor. Here's a pile of parts. All my body armor, I gotta go throw that in the back of my truck and drop it off to get sandblasted. The carpet, seats. All right, guys, this completes my teardown. Gonna get started on rust repair. Parts are ordered. They should be here hopefully middle of next week, and I can get started. I got the cab sitting on the tailgate right now. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll continue an episode here in about a week or so. All right, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you would. We'll see you soon.